Are you drowning in a sea of emails? Today we're going to tame the tidal wave using Gmail's folders. Let's get organized. First, let's open up Gmail. See the sidebar on the left? That's where the magic happens. Gmail calls folders labels. To create a new label, scroll down the sidebar and click More, then find and click Create New Label. Now, name your label. Let's call it Projects. You can also nest it under another label if you want, but for now, we'll make it a standalone label. There it is, our new label ready to use. But how do we use this label? Let's say you receive an email about a new project. To move this email to our Projects label, just open the email, click on the label icon above the message, check the box next to Projects, and then Apply. Voila! The email now lives in both your main inbox and the Projects folder. What if you want to automatically sort all emails from your boss into this label? Click on the More button, then filter messages like these. Enter any specific details, like your boss's email address, and click Create Filter. Now, select Apply the label, choose Projects and click Create Filter. And there you have it. Now, any emails from your boss will automatically go into your Projects folder. With Gmail's labels, you can turn your inbox chaos into a well-oiled productivity machine. Start using labels and take control of your emails today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to boost your productivity with simple tech solutions.